In this video, we're going to be going over how to track your time in Lawmatics. To start a new timer, you'll see this feature up here at the top if you have time and billing activated on your account. To start a timer, click the play button and it will turn red. You'll be able to see this timer all over Lawmatics, so even if you leave this matter page, you'll be able to see that this timer is running. On this right-hand side, you can see the total number of hours that you've billed for each day. You'll notice that when I started the timer, nothing popped up to let me put in the matter or the activity. So if I come in here and pause this timer, you'll see that it's going to turn blue. I can quickly restart that same timer by clicking play again. To stop the timer completely and save that time entry, we're going to click on the pause button, and then finally we're going to click on this stop timer. Now we'll have the option to select the matter, the activity type, put in a description, and edit the duration if we want to. Now that I've filled out this time entry, I'll just click save, and now that time entry is added to Lawmatics. So you can now see that the number of hours I've billed for the day is now gone up. I can quickly restart that timer by coming down here and clicking play. That will restart the timer that I was just working on. However, I can quickly switch to a new timer by clicking down here and clicking play on that previous timer. Now let's look at how we can manually add time entries or edit time entries from previous days. So you can see I'm on the matter profile page right now. I'm going to click on this billing tab and you'll see we have these new different sections appear. From there, click on time entries, and you'll be able to see all of the time entries created on this matter. You'll see that I can see them all the way back from the beginning of the month to the ones just created today. To create a new time entry from this page, click Create New Time Entry and enter all of this information. Once you've filled out all of the information, click Save. Now you'll see your new time entry has been added into the time entry section of this matter.